All right, what's up, weirdos? Good morning. How's it going? Bit of a mixed bag. More green than red so far this morning. Ford is looking good. Plume's looking juicy. Things are looking all right, guys. Things are looking all right. Great start to the week. It's a great day to have a great day. You guys know Big Rob likes his Monday mornings. Let's see what else is going on, guys. Songbird's having a nice move, 9.5% move to the upside there. Chainlink's moving back up to $18.70. Absolutely. Walrus and Farm are some good DCA. Stronghold, baby. Love me some Stronghold. Let's go to the top 100. COAI continuing to drop. Now it's funny because this was at about a $1.5 billion market cap yesterday. I think it was yesterday. I told you guys either, I don't know if it was here or if it was on the Patreon morning market overview, but I said that if this dropped down below $1 billion market cap, that's when I would start to look into it and see if it's worth picking up. So expect a bit of a deeper dive into this Chain Opera AI later today. Keep an eye out for that. It is below $1 billion market cap. Zcash and Floki, apparently Elon Musk, and if you weren't around in the last bull run, back in, I believe, 2020, 2021, Elon Musk bought himself a Shiba Inu dog and named it Floki. And apparently he was tweeting about his dog Floki today. And as a result, Floki is pumping. Yes, that is all it takes to move these markets. Unbelievable. All right, let's go have a look at the Bitcoin chart, shall we? All right, so Bitcoin has so far reclaimed its upward trajectory here, putting in these higher lows. Can we close our daily candle today above this red line at 110,581? That's what we're going to be watching for. That's what we need to happen to reclaim. Doesn't have to happen today, but it would need to. We do need to see it happen this week, anyways, right? That's what I want to see. That would bring us back up above, which would make this dip down here, this flash crash that we had, nothing more than an artificial dip to the downside, which we knew was artificial based on Wintermute, Binance, and market manipulation. So it's not surprising at all that we completely recovered from that flash crash already. So, um, you know, eat your shorts, bears. Eat your shorts, right? Can we close above here? That's what we want to see. 110,581. That's what we'll be watching for the daily close today. Then we will try to work our way back up to resistance at 114K would be my next target. We'll keep an eye on it, guys. We could see a little resistance at 112,000, but really I'm watching 114 for the next target if we close above 110,581. So little something to pay attention to there. We got some Jasmy stuff to get into today, guys, so hold on to your butts. Quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallet. Keep your crypto safe. Keep it in your own self-custody. You can swap, take profits, and even stake your crypto or your stablecoin right on your Decent wallet and gain APY all the live long day. Check it out today. Use our link down below. Get a 2-for-1 deal on the biometric wallets by using our link in the description. All right, the Bearable Bull says the bull market is not close to over. Crypto prices are correlated to M2 money supply, and we haven't started pumping in price. This is a time of peak fear, while simultaneously the Russell 2000 is rising as the appetite for risk on assets increases. Signals point to pumps for altcoins in the near future. Now, listen, a lot of bears and a lot of negative Nancy's out there are going to roast me and be upset and be angry. They lash out and they attack when when you say that we're still going to go higher, the bull run's not over. Those are the same people that will also lash out, attack, and roast me when I flip bearish later and say the market is topping, it's time to get out, I'm selling all my crypto. Those same people will be emotional and they'll start attacking me on that end of it, saying I'm stupid, I don't know what I'm talking about. Same way they're saying it now, right? So I am fully prepared to be completely roasted in the comment section when it comes time to sell everything, because emotional people do not like to hear that the bull run is peaking and it's over and it's time to bail. Ooh, do they get mad. Hara-san, new service has started. Jenction Link is a service that lets anyone freely create their own web page. You can link your various social media accounts, of course, and freely choose backgrounds and fonts to express yourself. Creators can showcase their past work, like a portfolio, while fans can display their favorite photos and videos. If you're thinking of starting a new business, why not begin building your fan base here for free on Jenction? More features will be added in the future. First, create an account and try making your own creator page. We'd be thrilled if you could spread the word to your friends too. Absolutely, Hara-san. You got it, my friend. I got your back. Very exciting. New platform from Jenction. Jenction Link. And of course, guys, no Jasmy Jenction video would be complete without a check-in on friend of the channel, my friend and yours, content creator for Jasmy and Jenction, none other than Neo Extrix. Neo-san, give Neo a follow over on X as we have a look at the latest clip from him. Check it out.
We sincerely believe that with Jasmy, this is not a frenzied speculative adventure, but a mission to solve real problems in the real world. In this sense, we must look at Japan not as a country in difficulty, but as a laboratory of the future. For it is here, on this land of tradition and innovation, that the solutions the rest of the world will soon need are being shaped. Japan is living through a period of profound transformation. Its population is aging, its economy is evolving, its habits are changing. But this is not a crisis. It is a transition toward a new model of society. The country faces real challenges: aging, loneliness, labor shortages, slow digitalization, yet it has always managed to turn obstacles into opportunities. This is what Japan has done after every major trial in its history. It has reinvented the future in its own way. Today, the real challenge is not economic, it is human. It is about rebuilding trust between technology and citizens. In a world where data flows without control and privacy seems to dissolve, Japan is seeking a path that respects individual dignity while enabling collective progress. This search for balance inspires the country's most forward-thinking projects and guides initiatives such as Jasmy's. Japanese society now wants technology to serve people, not the other way around. Companies, universities, and even the government are joining forces to rethink the place of digital technology in everyday life. It is no longer just about digitizing forms or automating tasks, but about creating an environment where each individual retains control of their information, participates in tomorrow's economy, and contributes to a common good founded on trust. For example, in schools, this vision could take shape through the modernization of education. Children learn to manage their own data and to understand the value of their digital identity. In companies, young engineers seek ethical solutions for artificial intelligence and connected devices. In rural areas, communities are bringing life back to depopulated towns through technology, attracting new residents and sustainable activities. Even public policies are evolving. Decarbonization, energy transition, regional revitalization, cybersecurity, and the fight against isolation are all part of the same national reconstruction effort. And this reconstruction is not rooted in nostalgia, but in hope. Japan knows that the future will belong to societies capable of uniting innovation and responsibility. In this context, Jasmy's approach takes on its full meaning. It is not a financial quest, but a collective mission to restore trust in digital technology, protect privacy, and empower every citizen to shape tomorrow's society. The team behind this project comes from the Sony School, one where technology was first and foremost a means of emotion, sharing, and human progress. This philosophy of Kando, to move people through innovation, is still alive today. It runs through this project like an invisible thread connecting Japan's past to its future. If we look closely, we can see that Japan is building the foundations of a new connected society, more human, more respectful, more inclusive. Aging becomes an opportunity to invent intelligent assistance services. Loneliness drives the creation of new networks of solidarity. Declining regions become laboratories for new forms of revitalization. Every difficulty becomes an open door to a solution. Believing in Jasmy is therefore not about believing in a mere technology company, but in a Japanese vision of progress, one where humanity and technology move forward together in trust, transparency, and creativity. Japan has always been a silent pioneer, favoring precision over noise. And it is precisely in this thoughtful silence that the innovations capable of transforming the world are born. Yes, Jasmy begins in Japan, but what it is building goes beyond borders. For if one country can succeed in reconciling tradition, respect, and digital modernity, then it will show the whole world that a fairer, more human future is possible. Japan has already shown the way in miniaturization, robotics, and consumer electronics. Today, it is preparing to show the way in digital trust. And if we choose to think sincerely as they do, then we understand that this is not speculation, but a movement. The movement of a people who want technology to bring meaning back to life.
These are the people who created Jasmy, my friends. Absolutely bullish, in my opinion. Get to know the team, guys. Get to know what's going on with this project. Make sure you're doing your research. After all, I'm only here to educate and entertain you, not your financial advisor. Are you new to crypto? Is this your first altcoin season, your first bull run? Well, listen, join me and thousands of other members today over in our Patreon community where I can help you one-on-one. You can book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally. You can join our group coaching calls, our Patreon live streams, and so much more to get all of your questions answered and get all the help that you need, whether it's portfolio structure, whether you're holding the right altcoins, and so much more, guys. Check it out today. We also drop micro-cap gems on a regular basis, the likes of ZBEC, Onyx Coin, XDB, and so many more. Nadix also. So check it out, guys. Get in early on these projects before they pump. Book your one-on-one coaching calls. And also, as you can see on your screen right now, our trading group has been absolutely knocking it out of the park. Even on the red days, they are out there making that cheddar. So you may be sitting there saying, well, Rob, that doesn't help me because I don't know how to trade. Well, I have good news for you, my friend. All of our training courses are free to all of our Patreon members, and get all the guidance and learning that you need to succeed in this space. Learn how to trade properly. We even teach you how to use demo mode using Monopoly money, essentially, so that you can learn how to trade without putting your own money at risk. Come and get taught by the best how to succeed in this space, guys. The link is down below in the description, or use the QR code in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.